Welcome! The biggest crime to bamboo we see is not arranging the foliage, which can make all the difference when you want to pull off the look and fool your friends and family. So, I'm going to show you how in an easy step-by-step. Firstly, make sure you remove all of the packaging, and if you happen to find a small amount of loose foliage, that's completely normal and it shouldn't affect the overall look. Don't be surprised if your bamboo looks a little bunched together when you first unpack it. You just need to bend out the green fronds from the bottom to the top so that it looks nice and full. Try to bend them in a slight arch like a real plant, as this will make them look a bit more natural. When you're ready, start smoothing out any folds and creases in the leaves by running your hands over them. These folds are just from the way your bamboo has been tightly packed to make sure it arrives safely, and sometimes it can take a few days for all of the creases to drop out. Remember that real plants aren't always perfect, and they do have natural bends and curves in the leaves, so don't worry too much about getting every piece perfect. If anything, it'll add to the realism. Top tip: give your bamboo a little shake to loosen it up and create a more natural look. When you're happy, step back, take a final look and make any adjustments, then pop it into its new home and enjoy your new effortless greenery. Let us know if there is anything you would like us to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching!